Mali, tell me about your friend, huh? What he asking you? About your wage?
Yes, yes.
What he asking? How much you earn?
He asked how much you are earning.
Per month?
Yes, then I said 1,000. I got 1,700, but I did lots of overtime.
Hmm.
But he was shocked at the time. Really? You are taking this much?
Why he shocked?
Because he's in this Portugal.
Uh-huh.
Their salaries are it's really low.
Yeah, I know 600, 700
Yes,
euros,
yes,
but
yes.
in Malta it's very nice salary.
Yeah, yeah.
If here you do overtime, part time, you will make even 2000 euros.
Yeah, yeah.
Same like you making 1,700.
Yeah.
It's nice, huh? It's good.
Like that.
So, where your friend is living?
Lisbon.
Lisbon, Portugal, huh?
Yes, yes.
It's capital city of Portugal.
Maybe one day you run away.
But he's he's chef, but he's doing he's not there's no job for chefs much. He's doing agriculture. He's cleaning.
Yeah, because there is a big land.
Agriculture.
Agriculture, there is many jobs. It's true in Portugal.
Greek.
Mali, listen. When we are going to Portugal, me, you, and Raja, we three.
Going one day.
When we go? Tell me. I have no time.
Like temporary or permanent?
No, just for visit.
Temporary.
We go for 1 week,
1 week.
maybe.
I will ask from chef.
Ask him because now in winter there is not busy, you know.
No, they are ready to give vacation.
You be and here. First make plan here.
Yeah,
After you speak.
we three go for 1 week and we came back. What do you think?
Restaurant room.
Yeah.
And how's your experience in Malta? When you arrived direct from Sri Lanka or somewhere else?
No, I was in Dubai.
Dubai, yeah. So you came from Dubai.
Yeah.
So how's your experience in Malta? Not good. Why?
Tell him everything.
Tell, because I'm making video for you, for my YouTube viewers. You know, I have many YouTube viewers. They are always asking, make an interview of someone guy coming from Dubai or Saudi
If
Arabia.
you're happy, tell him happy. If you're not happy,
Yeah, if you are not happy, tell him honestly, huh?
yeah.
Tell.
For now, I'm kind of disappointed.
Why you disappointed? For what?
Why? From money, it's okay.
Okay, for money is good, huh?
Yeah, it's good. It's better.
Yeah.
You know, everything is not like black or white. It's like gray. There are some good things and bad things.
Yeah.
From money, it's good
Mm.
because even overtimes are paid in back in Dubai. They are not paying for overtime only in the busy
Right.
season. But at work, it's shit.
Mm. What's the difference you feel in Dubai or here? What's the basic difference?
It's like working in Dubai, like working in a good hotel. Here it's like working like Karachi Darbar restaurant.
Like Daba style.
Yes.
It's like Dava style, huh?
Daba.
Yes.
Actually, you know, in Indian food we use a lot of spices. We take care about the taste, the aroma, and the cooking these things. But here in Malta, they use just salt and pepper. That's it. Some oil and an oven.
Chef
That's
said,
it.
No, don't put salt and pepper.
Even that not proper. Even it's not like properly seasoned.
Yeah.
Boiling, fry.
No recipe, nothing. Very easy, huh?
Now, even in cold kitchen, I work one day. I go to, in my history, I never seen a cold kitchen without any dressing.
Any little thing.
Only
Garlic and herb oil. That's it.
only mayonnaise, mayonnaise with ketchup, and yogurt. There's a coming ready-made mint sauce.
Yeah,
They
that's it.
Mix that yogurt with mint sauce and plain mayonnaise. Only these dressings are used. And for salad, sometimes they're using sweet chili sauce. It's coming ready-made.
Yeah.
This bottle is coming.
Yes.
So like this, you forget all the things you learned before in your hospitality
Yes.
time, you know.
If I work here for one year, or
You
more,
forget
I will be
everything, huh?
finished.
You forget everything.
Yeah, maybe I have to find a job in Port Royal or somewhere.
So what do you recommend the people that are working in Dubai? Are they working in Saudi Arabia? Will they come here or they're better there? What do you recommend to them?
No, if they want only money,
Money. So then it's good, huh? They will come to Malta.
and also if they are getting in Dubai or Middle East,
Yeah.
some people out there who has a good salary. As example, for supervisors,
Yeah.
they are paid almost same salary as here.
Hmm.
It's for supervisors, I think.
But Mali, I tell you, listen, my friend, not everyone is passionate like as you. The mostly people, they look just money, okay? They don't have a passion about the job, you know? So they just prefer money.
For them it's okay.
So for them, it's the best place, you know,
Yes,
to
yes,
make
yes,
some money. But the peoples, they have, you know, determination to be a good chef in future, to gain a good position. For them, it's I think not a good place, right? Because here they did not follow the proper, you know, the recipes, these things.
Nothing.
Anything in your hand, you will make like this. Okay, just boil it or bake it.
No,
That's
even
it.
if try to do something, no need.
No need, no need.
Give them gift.
So say hi to my viewers in Sri Lankan.
Hi.
Ask something in Sri Lankan.
There are viewers in Sri Lanka.
I have many viewers from Sri Lanka as well.
Oh, how many subscribers you got?
Oh, too many, bro. I have 16,000 subscribers.
Really?
Yeah, you will check my YouTube channel also. No, I'm going to upload your video on my YouTube channel.
Really you're going to upload?
Yeah, of course. You should share my video to your friends, okay? So they see all directly your views about work in Malta. So say something in Sri Lankan language. Like as hello, hi to your people in Sri Lanka, you miss your country or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But your own language.
Yeah, your own language.
කොහොමද මචංලා හොඳින් ඉන්නවා කියලා මම හිතනවා. enough.
Enough? Thank you. So this is our friend and I make a short interview of him. I hope everyone going to like. So thanks everyone. Okay, ciao, goodbye.